Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Okay. So in the last class, we discussed regarding the physiology in the plants, right? So today we are going to discuss regarding the other concepts of physiology in plants. Yesterday we discussed regarding the respiration as well as certain, I think, regarding the transportation. So today we are going to discuss regarding the photosynthesis, which is the most important concept in NEET as well as CET biology. So we have around 60 questions, 60 multiple choice questions, which are collected from previous year question paper. Okay, I collected and made a document of it. We will discuss that. And repeatedly, I am telling, please focus on previous year question papers. Only those, only that preparation make you to attend the test for a CET with a very good confidence. Okay, don't just stick on to the content preparation. Now you don't have time to prepare for a content. Okay, I did not understand that. I have to read. I don't hold the book and read the whole concept. Don't waste your time for that. Just focus on previous year question paper. Which answer you will write wrong, mark it and read only that concept and write that concept. Then you will understand. Okay, so let us begin with by solving the previous year question paper on photosynthesis. Just check whether can you able to see the screen. Just a minute. Yes. Whether the document is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question here is the photosynthesis occurs in option A, chloroplast, option B, Golgi body, option C, endoplasmic reticulum, option D, nucleus.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please answer in a mic. Okay, thank you. Janvi voted for A. Answer in a mic. Okay, let us check the answer. The right answer is option A, that is chloroplast. Let us move to the next question. Rate of photosynthesis does not depend on quality of light, intensity of light, duration of light, and temperature. So, among these, on which factor photosynthesis will not depend? They ask. Yes, who is going to answer it first? ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಷ್ಟು ಲೈಟ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ, ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಲೈಟ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್.
Ma'am, quality of light.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಯನ?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
C, ma'am. Duration.
Okay. So Nayana voted for A and Janvi voted for C. Let me check the answer. The right answer is C, that is duration of light. Quality of light matters. Like when we pass a white light, the photosynthesis rate will be different. When you pass blue or an infrared light, the photosynthesis rate will be different. Okay, intensity of light also will depend. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಷ್ಟು ಲೈಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಅದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Duration ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು, so that is not depend on the rate of photosynthesis. That is why the right answer is option C, that is duration of light. Next one. For photosynthesis, green plants require chlorophyll only, light. Okay, option C, carbon dioxide and water, all of the above.
D, ma'am. All of them.
D, ma'am.
Very easy and direct question. Both of you answered it correctly. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Fourth question. The optimum temperature for photosynthesis is 25 to 35 degrees Celsius, B 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, C 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, D 20 to 25 degrees Celsius.
A, ma'am.
A. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer here is D. The right answer here is D. That is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Next question. Fifth question. Photosynthesis is a dash process, catabolic process, anabolic process, exothermic process, and metabolic process. Which kind of process it is? They ask. Yes, any guesses on the answer? Read the question properly, think over it, and then answer.
And catabolic.
Catabolic. Janvi, is it Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi voted for option A, that is catabolic. Nayana, what about your answer? Any guesses?
Ma'am, C.
Okay, option C, exotherm. Let me check the answer. The right answer is answer B, that is anabolic process. Answer B, anabolic. So here what happens? Catabolic, anabolic means. So in photosynthesis, what occurs? Carbon dioxide plus water combine to form C6H12O6, that is glucose. So here the substance is not breaking. Here the substance is forming from carbon dioxide and water. So it is the constructivist reaction. Constructivist means something is forming there. It is not destructive. Destructive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. But anabolic means what? Constructive. It is building something. So anabolic process. Next, some of you voted for option A. Catabolic means what? Destructive. Something has to be destroyed there. So that is catabolic process. Next, exothermic. Exothermic means gives out heat during the reaction. So during photosynthesis, we will not observe any heat liberation or any release of heat. Okay, so it is not an exothermic reaction. Next one is metabolic. So catabolic, anabolic. If it is both catabolic and anabolic, then it is called as metabolic. But it is only anabolic. So the answer is option C, the option B, that is anabolic. Sixth question. Photorespiration occurs in 4-cell organelles, 2-cell organelle, 1-cell organelle, 3-cell organelle. Where does photorespiration occurs? How many organelle that does that part will be having? Yes, who is going to answer?
C, ma'am.
C. 1-cell organelle. Fine. Janvi voted for C. So let me check the answer. The right answer is option D, that is 3-cell organelle. It will be having 3-cell organelle. Next, name the pigment which is responsible for absorption of light in plants. Option A, chlorophyll. Option B, stroma. Option C, xylem. Option D, phloem.
Chlorophyll.
A, ma'am.
Nayana, okay, Nayana and Janvi voted for option A, that is chlorophyll. So the right answer is option A, that is chlorophyll. Good. Next question. Reduction of NADP occurs in oxidative photophosphorylation, cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation, none.
C, ma'am.
C. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay. Ninth question. In bacteria, name the color of light which is responsible for photosynthesis. In bacteria, name the color of light which is responsible for photosynthesis. Option A, ultraviolet. Option B, blue. Option C, red. Option D, none of the above.
Blue, ma'am. B.
Okay, Janavi said as blue, that is option B. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option C, that is red. In bacteria, red color of light will be responsible for the photosynthesis. Red color, when it reflect or when it undergo dispersion, sorry, when it undergoes reflection. So what happens there? The whatever red light is used, whatever is absorbed will be different color, which will help in photosynthesis. Next, trans anatomy is found in the leaves of beet, mustard, potato, and sugarcane. Yes.
Sugar cane.
Okay. Option D, sugar cane. Trans anatomy is found in the leaves of sugar cane. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option D, that is sugar cane. Then, 1 minute. Fine. The next question. Quantasomes are found in option A, cristae of mitochondria, option B, thylakoid membrane of chloroplast, option C, nucleus membrane, option D, lysosome.
Ma'am, B.
D, thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. Okay, let us check the answer. The right answer is option B, thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. Next question. Peroxisomes are involved in sorry, peroxisomes are involved in which type of reactions? Option A, Calvin cycle. Option B, glyoxylate cycle. Option C, glycolytic cycle. Option D, bacterial photosynthesis. Okay.
C.
D, ma'am.
Option C, Nayana. Option D, Janu. So the right answer here is option C, that is glycolytic cycle. Peroxisomes are involved in glycolytic cycle. 13th question. Name the metal present in chlorophyll A and B. Option A, iron. Option B, copper. Option C, magnesium. Option D, manganese.
C.
Magnesium, ma'am.
Naina voted for C. Janvi also said C. So let me check the answer. The right answer here is option C, that is magnesium. Good. 14th question. Mm, Photorespiration involves oxidation of PGA, RUBP, chlorophyll A, both A and B. Yes, guess the answer.
D, ma'am.
C, RUBP. Okay, let me check the answer. Answer is B, that is RUBP. Next, 15th question. Name the structural unit of photosynthesis. Option A, thylakoid. Option B, grana. Option C, stroma. Option D, chlorophyll.
A.
A. Nayana answered as A.
Ma'am, chloro.
Okay. Janvi voted for D. So the right answer is thylakoid, that is option A. In chlorophyll, we have the units called thylakoid, which are important for photosynthesis. That is why option A is the right answer. 16th question. C3 and C4 plants differ with respect to number of ATP molecules consumed, first product, substrate which accepts carbon dioxide, D is all of the above. Yes.
A,
A.
ma'am.
Option A, number of ATP molecules consumed. So let me check the answer. The right answer is all. So all of the above. C3 and C4 plants differ in number of ATP, first product, substrate which accepts carbon dioxide. So all three effects or are the difference between C3 and C4. 17th question. Which of the following statements are true regarding photosynthesis? Photosystems are arrangement of chlorophyll and other pigments. Okay. Uh, Pigments packed into thylakoids. B. Many prokaryotes have only one photosystem. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Only A is correct.
C.
Option C. Both A and B are correct. So A
D,
is
ma'am.
photosynthesis. Okay. Janvi answered as B. So the answer is option C, that is both A and B. So here what happened? Photosystems and are arrangement of chlorophyll and other pigments packed into thylakoid. That is correct. Then B, many prokaryotes have only one photosystem. That is also correct. So the right answer is option C. Okay. Next question. In Calvin cycle, one molecule of glucose is formed from. Read the reaction and let me know the this one. Let me know the answer.
A, ma'am.
Janvi said as option A. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option C. That is 6CO2, 18 ATP plus 12 NADPH. Fine. Name the physiochemical process in which chemical energy is produced by light energy with the help of photosynthetic organism. Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, respiration. Option C, the oxidative decarboxylation. Option D, oxidative phosphorylation. It is physiochemical process.
Photosynthesis, ma'am.
Janvi answered as option A, that is photosynthesis. Let me check the answer. So the right answer here is option A, that is photosynthesis, because it is physiochemical ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. Answer A. 20th question. Where does light reaction take place? Option A, grana. It appears very simple question, but most repeated questions in all the previous year question paper. Option A, grana. Option B, stroma. Option C, cytoplasm. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum.
B, ma'am. Stroma.
B, stroma. Janvi answered as option B. What about Nayana? Any guess?
Ma'am, D.
D. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option A, that is grana. In grana, light reaction takes place during daytime. 21st question. Classification of organism as oxygenic and anoxygenic during photosynthesis is based on presence of carbon dioxide, generation of oxygen, presence of light, presence of water. ಅಂದ್ರೆ classification of organisms ಮಾಡುವಾಗ we will get two terms like oxygenic organism and oxygenic organism ಅಂತ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. So during photosynthesis ಅಂತ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. It is based on what? ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
B, ma'am.
D, the presence of water. B or D? Is it B or D?
B, ma'am. Generation of oxygen.
So let me check the answer. The right answer here is option B, that is generation of oxygen. Good. Electrons from the excited chlorophyll molecules of PS2 are first accepted by pyofetin, peridoxin, cytochrome F, cytochrome B.
Ma'am, B.
B. Peridoxin. Electrons from the excited chlorophyll molecules of PS2 are first accepted by peridoxin. Nayana voted for B. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option A, that is pyophyrin. Pyophyrin. Next question. Which of the following is not a lipid soluble photosynthetic pigment? Is not, okay. Phycobilins, carotenoids, chlorophyll, xanthophyll.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, Sankalp. D, ma'am.
D. Xanthophyll. Both of you voted for D. So 23rd answer is option A, that is phycobilins, which are lipid soluble. They are soluble in only lipids, not water. So the right answer is phycobilins. 24th question. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation results in the production of option A NADH, option B NADPH, option C ATP, option D ATP and NADPH.
B, ma'am. ATP and NADPH.
Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option D, that is ATP and NADPH. Good. 25th question. Which of these features are not a truth of chlorophyll? It has magnesium 2 plus as the central metal ion. Infused with a pyrrole ring. It has it is a water soluble pigment out of four, which is correct one.
D, ma'am.
Option D, it is a water soluble pigment. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option D, that is, it is a water soluble pigment. 26th question. DCMU inhibits option A PS1, option B PS2, option C oxidative phosphorylation, option D it destroys chloroplast.
B, ma'am.
D. That is, it destroys chloroplast.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
let
B.
me check
B.
the
PS2.
PS2. PS2. Okay, so let me check the answer. The right answer is option B, that is photosystem 2. Good. 27th question. Name the pigment which is responsible for the yellow color of leaves in the autumn and the orange color of carrot. Phycobilins, chlorophyll, carotenoids, and bacteriochlorophyll.
Ma'am, C.
C, ma'am.
C. Nayana and Janvi voted for C. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option C, that is carotenoids. Maximum photosynthesis occurs in blue light, red light, white light, then green light.
D, ma'am. Green light.
Okay, let me check the answer. Answer is option D, that is red light. Why red light? Because the green color, the leaves appear green color, right? So the reflected light will be green, but the absorbed light will be red. That is the property of a light, which we will learn in electromagnetic radiations in, I think, PU1 or 10th standard. So when absorbed light, that is a red light, will be more. It has a longer wavelength, lesser energy. So that is why the red light is absorbed and the green light is reflected. So the maximum photosynthesis occurs in red light. The first acceptor of carbon dioxide in C4 plant is aspartic acid, malic acid, oxaloacetic acid, phosphoenopyruvate.
C, ma'am.
Oxaloacetic acid. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option D, that is phosphoenolpyruvate. Name the mechanism which prevents photooxidative damage in plants. Photo means sunlight, oxidative means oxidation. That is, using the sunlight, the substances should not undergo oxidation. So, for that, which is a preventive measure, photosynthesis, photorespiration, then photoprotection, okay, photoprotection, and the last one is none of the above.
Ma'am, photosynthesis.
None of the
Okay,
above, ma'am.
Diana said yes. Diana voted for A. Jani, what about you?
None of the above, ma'am. D.
So the right answer is C, that is photo protection. Photo protection. Okay. Then D was again written as photo protection, but it is none of the above. 31st question. The first product of C4 pathway is PGA DHAP oxaloacetic phosphoenol pyruvate. The first product of C4 pathway.
Ma'am, D.
A, ma'am.
Phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay. Let me check the answer. The right answer here is option C, that is oxaloacetate, oxaloacetic acid. 32nd question. Name the photosynthetic pigment which is structurally similar to bile pigment bilirubin. Chlorophyll, carotene, xanthophyll, phycobilins. So the answer is option D, that is phycobilin, which is similar to the bile pigment, that is bilirubin. Next question. The two pigment system theory of photosynthesis was proposed by Aaron, Blackman, Hill, and Emerson. Who proposed two pigment theory?
B, ma'am.
B. Blackman. Okay, the right answer here is option D, that is Emerson. Next question. What is the location of photosynthetic pigment in an oxygenic photosynthetic organism? Oxygenic means aerobic. Plasma membrane, thylakoid membrane, chromatophores, chromosome.
Ma'am, thylakoid membrane.
Option B, thylakoid membrane. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is good. Option B, that is thylakoid membrane. 35th question. Hydrogen donor during photosynthesis is ATP, NADP, NADPH, NADH. Yes,
C, ma'am.
C, NADPH. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option C, that is NADPH, which donates hydrogen during photosynthesis. 36th question. What is the absorption spectrum? The graph produced by absorption of light. The graph shows photochemical reaction. The graph produced by absorption of oxygen. The graph shows oxygen evolution at a different wavelength.
Ma'am, A.
The graph produced by absorption of light. Nayana voted for A. Let me check the answer. The right answer here is option A, that is graph produced by absorption of light. The minerals involved in a spring reaction during photosynthesis is option A, potassium and manganese, option B, manganese and chlorine, option C, potassium and chlorine, option D, manganese and chlorine. Minerals involved in splitting reaction during photosynthesis.
C, ma'am.
C, potassium and chlorine.
Ma'am, B.
B, magnesium and chlorine. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option D, that is manganese and chlorine. Manganese and chlorine. It is not magnesium, it is manganese and chlorine. 38th question. Name the filament fungi which are used in Engelmann's experiment to show photosynthetic activity. Rhizopus stolonifer, Penicillium, Cyanobacteria, Spirogyra.
A, ma'am.
A. Rhizopus stolonifer. Okay. Janvi locked A. What about Nayana?
Ma'am, C.
C. That is cyanobacteria. So let me check the answer. The right answer is option D, Spirogyra. He observed the photosynthetic activity in Spirogyra. but it should not be algae. Should be a it should not be a fungi. It must be algae here, not fungi. Okay. Next, water soluble photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll A, xanthophyll, anthocyanin, chlorophyll B. Out of these four, which is soluble in water?
Ma'am, C.
B, ma'am.
C. C and B. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option C, that is anthocyanin. 40th question. Which of the following term defines the production of heat and light when an excited molecule returns to its original state? Option A, fluorescence. Option B, luminescence. Option C, intersystem crossing. Option D, phosphorescence.
B, ma'am.
D, phos- phosphorescence. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option A, that is fluorescence. In photosynthesis, dark reaction is called so because it occurs in dark. It does not require light energy. It cannot occur during the daytime. It occurs more rapidly at night.
Ma'am, B.
B, it does not require little energy. Okay, so the right answer here is option B, that is, it does not require light energy. Next one. Just a minute. What is resonance energy transfer? Transfer of electrons between molecules, then transfer of energy as well as electrons, transfer of electrons but not the energy, transfer of energy but not the electron.
D, ma'am.
Option D, transfer of energy but not the electron. Okay. Let me check the answer. The answer is option D. That is the right answer. The transfer of energy but not the electron. 43rd question. How many photons are absorbed to produce one molecule of oxygen? 2, 10, 12, 8.
Ma'am, 2.
A, ma'am.
Yes. Let me check the correct answer. The right answer is option D. That is 8. Okay. 44th question. Which of the following is a Hill reagent? Sugar, chlorophyll, 2,6-dichlorophenolindophenol. D. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay, let me reveal the answer. The answer is option C, that is 2,6-dichlorophenolindophenol. Next one. What is the red drop phenomenon? Falling of red color in the spectrum, drop in quantum yield in the red region of the spectrum, drop in quantum yield in the far red region of the spectrum, falling of far red color in the spectrum. What do you mean by red drop phenomenon? Direct and important question.
B, ma'am.
Drop in quantity yield in the red region of the spectrum. Okay. Let me check the answer. The right answer here is option C, that is drop in quantum yield in the far red region of the spectrum. 46th question. Which of the following correctly defines the yield of oxygen by the number of protons absorbed? Emerson enhancement effect, quantum requirement, photochemical reaction, quantum yield. Means how many number of photons absorbed, which effect tells us that number of photons ಎಷ್ಟು absorb ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
Ma'am, D.
B, ma'am.
Quantum yield. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option D. Very good, quantum yield. Name the scientist who first pointed out that plants purify whole air by Bell jar experiment. Okay, the first option is Will Statter, the next option is Robert Hooke, the third option is Priestley, the fourth option is Jean Senebier.
Priestley, ma'am. Option C.
Priestley. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is Priestley. Okay, good. 48th question. Of the total amount of water absorbed by the plant, it is its actual percentage used during photosynthesis is option A 50%, option B 90%, option C 1%, option D 25%. How much water is used by during photosynthesis from the absorbed water they are asking.
Ma'am, 25%.
Option D, that is 25%. Yes, any other answer, Janvi?
C, ma'am.
C, that is 1%. So let me check the answer. Sunlight as well as water. Sunlight from the sun, water from the soil. So both of them are absorbed at 1% from the plants. 49th question. Mole's half-leaf experiment explains that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll and water are necessary for photosynthesis. Light and water are essential for photosynthesis. All the above are correct.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D.
Option D,
All
ma'am.
of the above are correct. Okay. Option 1, that is Carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis is the right answer. 50th question. Oxygen during photosynthesis comes from the water was proved with the help of O18 experiment by Rubin and Kamen, Hill, Warburg, Blackman. Who found it or who proved it? Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option 1, that is Rubin and Kamen. Next question. Name the scientist who pointed out the importance of different wavelengths of light using green algae and aerobic bacteria. Option 1, Priestley. Option 2, Ingenhouse. Option 3, K.V. Thiman. Option D, Engelmann. Yes,
D, ma'am.
B, Ingenhouse. Okay, let me check the answer. The right answer is option 4, that is Engelmann. So he studied or pointed out the importance of different wavelengths of light. 52 second question. 1 minute. Okay. Photosynthesis in C4 plant is relatively less limited by atmospheric carbon dioxide levels because 4 carbon acids are the primary initial carbon dioxide fixation product. The primary fixation of carbon dioxide is mediated via PEP carboxylase. The effective pumping of carbon dioxide into bundle sheath cells. Fourth, Rubisco in C4 plants has a higher affinity for carbon dioxide. Let me reveal the answer. The answer is option 3, effective pumping of carbon dioxide into bundle sheath cells. Okay, that is why photosynthesis in C4 plant is relatively less by atmospheric carbon dioxide level. Due to increase in concentration of carbon dioxide, photosynthesis increases, photosynthesis decreases, water absorption efficiency increases, water absorption efficiency decreases.
Ma'am,
A,
option
ma'am.
A.
Option A. Nayana said option A. What about Janavi?
A, ma'am.
A. So let me check the answer. The right answer is option A. Photosynthesis increases. Good. Then choose the correct statement about C4 plant. Mesophyll cells possess rubisco. Neither mesophyll cells nor the bundle sheath cells pose rubisco. Mesophyll cells have PEP case which converts carbon dioxide into OOA. Bundle sheath cells synthesize OAA, that is oxaloacetic acid, which is a 4 carbon compound. Correct statement about C4 plants.
B, ma'am.
D. Okay. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option 3. That is mesophyll cells have PEP with polypyroenol pyruvate. Phenol enol pyruvate. So here the answer is answer 3. In CAM plants, photophosphorylation occurs in bundle sheath cell during night, mesophyll cells during day, mesophyll cells during night, then bundle sheath cells during daytime.
B, ma'am. Mesophyll cell during daytime.
Mesophyll cell during daytime. Okay. Very good. The right answer is B. 56th question. In the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide is fused with primary acceptor molecule to form 3-carbon compound phosphoglycerate. If in this reaction carbon dioxide provides 1 carbon, then how many carbon are present in the primary acceptor molecule? Read the question properly and then answer.
Ma'am, 5.
5 carbons. Okay. Let me check the answer. The right answer is option number 1, that is 5 carbon. Good. 57th question. In photosynthesis, NADPH plus H plus are oxidized in Calvin cycle, non-cyclic photophosphorylation, cyclic photophosphorylation, Z scheme.
D, ma'am. Z scheme.
The right answer is Calvin cycle, that is option 1. Next one. Enzyme which can catalyze both carboxylation and oxygenation of RUBP in the chloroplast is not found in which of the following cells? Mesophyll cells of C4, mesophyll cells of C3, mesophyll cells of CAM plants, and bundle sheath cells of C4 plants.
A, ma'am.
The right answer is option 1. That is mesophyll cells of C4 plants. 1 minute. 59th question. Why are C4 plants are more efficient? They show photorespiration. They have rubisco in mesophyll cells. They can tolerate high temperature. They have a mechanism of concentrating carbon dioxide at the place of rubisco enzyme action.
Ma'am, option B.
They have rubisco in mesophyll cells. The right answer is they have a mechanism of concentrating carbon dioxide at the place of rubisco enzyme action. That is the right answer. So today we completed with the photosynthesis, that is important concept in PU1. Tomorrow we are going to discuss one more important concept, most important concept, and we are going to wind up the CET biology sessions. I hope the sessions are fruitful for you and helpful for you. Please go through the previous year question papers and the question papers which I sent. These also I will be sending soon, that is today or tomorrow, the respiration, photosynthesis, and all. Practice it and do well in your exam. Okay. So let us
Ma'am,
meet tomorrow. Yes, tell me.
ma'am, can you upload all this in WhatsApp group, ma'am?
Yeah, I will upload some of them. Some of the question papers I uploaded through a mail. These you want?
Yes, ma'am.
These I will upload today or tomorrow. Okay. Okay then. Janvi, did you get all the question papers which I mailed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay then. We will meet in the next session. We solved around 60 questions today. As we don't have many participants, it got ended up soon. Otherwise, we would have discussed more because we will get more answers, so we can discuss more. So thank you for practicing well, and practice well. It is for your benefit. We'll meet you all in the next session. Until that, have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.